Hey there, Excel friends. In today's video, we're going to create a super simple attendance tracker in Excel, one that updates automatically as you check off attendance. Whether you're tracking conference attendees, students, or employees, this tool will make it so much easier to see who's showing up and who's not. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump right in. To make this work, we need a list of employees, or attendees, and a column for each day of the week. Here's what we've got. Now, instead of manually counting attendance at the end of the week, who has time for that? We're going to automate the whole process using checkboxes and formulas. This is where things get fun. Let's add interactive checkboxes so we can mark attendance with just a click. Here's how. 1. Select the range where you want checkboxes, in our case, columns C through G. 2. Go to the Insert tab. 3. Find the checkbox option and click it. Now, whenever someone attends a day, we can just check the box, and Excel will handle the rest. But wait, what's happening behind the scenes? Here's a cool trick about checkboxes in Excel. When checked, the cell's value is automatically set to true. When unchecked, the cell's value is set to false. This means we can use formulas to count the check marks and calculate attendance percentages. If you want to dive deeper into checkboxes, I've linked my full tutorial in the description below. Alright, now let's crunch some numbers. Now, we need to find out how many days each person attended. We'll use the COUNTIF function, which counts how many times a specific value appears in a range. Equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis, select the range C 2 to G2, comma, true, close parenthesis. This counts the number of days an employee attended. Let's enter it and check. Now let's calculate the attendance percentage. To get the percentage of attendance, we divide the number of days attended by the total number of days in the week. Equals COUNTIF, open parenthesis. C2 to G2, true, close parenthesis, divided by counter, open parenthesis, C2 to G2, close parenthesis. COUNTIF, C2 to G2, true, counts the check marks, days attended. COUNTA C2 to G2, counts the total number of days, checkboxes available. Go ahead and enter this formula, then drag it down the column to apply it to everyone. Now let's format the numbers as percentages for easy readability. Select the column with the results. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus %, or use the Format menu. Look at that. Attendance percentages updated automatically. Now, let's take it up a notch and make the data pop. Select the column with attendance percentages. Go to the Home tab and click Conditional Formatting. Choose Color Scales, then pick the green to white scheme. Employees who attended the most will be highlighted green. Those with the least attendance will be white. This makes it super easy to see who's showing up regularly and who might be skipping out. And the best part? This tracker updates dynamically. Whenever you check a box, the attendance percentage adjusts instantly. This simple Excel attendance tracker is a game changer for keeping things organized and efficient. Whether you're managing a team, a classroom, or an event, you'll never have to manually count attendance again. Would you use this tracker for work, school, or something else? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.